see how the site goes through it. It says saved, even if the password is wrong, and then just try them out. The telecom phone is the entry node into the botnet, and you just wait. Now it's searching for new networks, and now it will block. Yeah, you see now it's redirecting me to my channel, but I'm using 5 gigahertz. So if you tap on this and measure the Wi-Fi throughput, it's saying 0. You know, they're killing the connection, and that's how it works with speed at -1 Mbps. And now I'm connecting to, well, telecom phone channel 1 connect, and I'll show you something more, and we can see that this will probably get stuck at 0 as well. You see -100 dBm, and then you go to, let's go to the camera real quick and push the VPS button, and that should kill all connections. So VPS are now probably going to fail. Yeah, this is my router password. You can use it. Gives you full access to the botnet. So now I'm connected to my network. You see, I push VPS, and I can even disconnect the power supply. So if you check this, so this is the switch. I turn it on and it's starting. So I switch it back off, and now you can see what's online. So I can't turn off my Wi-Fi. It's not possible. So if I'm connecting to the telecom phone, it will reveal to you what is configured. So Gastgeber is another one of mine, but it's just a firewall, and now it's saying no connection. See, and it's just recycling or cycling through all of these and saying authentication problem. So the average user would think it's legit, but it isn't, since it's well, it's just and if I turn on the router and just, well, it doesn't have any Wi-Fi connectivity yet, so there shouldn't be any Wi-Fi. But let's see what happens. So if everything goes well, I can, well, it's just saving these, and it's always redirecting you to the public hotspot, so nobody can ever reveal it. But if I turn off airplane mode using my Albanian SIM card, this will look different. So this is working. I think it's creating virtual botnet channels on all 128 Wi-Fi channels. These Fritzbox runs support. They're total garbage. You see now I can't connect to Wi-Fi. I can't connect to VPS. If I pull the DSL cable, that will start working as long as I switch off the power supply, switch it back on, plug back in the DSL cable, and just give it a minute. So here we go. Now it's saying authenticating. It will fail again, but it's just used to monitor everybody, you know. And well, I can disconnect my I can disconnect this, and then I've got just just mobile network, and now it's connecting to something. So, and as you can see, it's trying to connect here. So now it's showing the question mark again, and it saved all the passwords. So and I push the VPS button again, but my router is currently not working, since it's since it's badly hacked. So yeah. I didn't create this from scratch. I took the VPN filter malware and just rewrote it with the Black Arc rootkit, and rewrote the rootkit, and now it's functioning, you see. And as you can see, it's not showing my network in here, and its VPS is active. So I just try to connect to telecom phone, which is always working, just connecting, and now it's saying obtaining IP address. So we've got a connection now, but this is totally blocked internet. So you just try it. Yeah, you see server not found, and if Wi-Fi isn't open and working, try opening your browser. But my NordVPN is yeah, it's saying connection unstable, retry. And well, if I'm going to, well, it's saying stuck on connecting. So what we do now, we open this application, and it kills the connection right away, since it's not legitimate and it will not work. But we go to Wi-Fi and safe networks. They've got all the safe networks, so we can exit, forget them, but it won't help. You know, if I forget my networks, like this one, Donny Chancen, Airport Wiesi is like also, or Witz in German, is also, and I'm just forgetting all of these, you know, and just forgetting them all. And yeah, that's one hell of a process. poor. So poor, 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 and poor. And now what I do is I just search for Wi-Fi networks again, and the router is still stuck on. And now I can just type some random numbers, type connect, and it's saying not possible. But then I connect to telecom phone, and now I'm trying to connect. And since this is hacked, it will not. Yeah, I modify it to be secure. So if I'm pushing the VPS button, hold on, my mother needs because they're gonna yeah. So now I just want to show you how this works. So yeah, I just forget this network, and I just forget telecom phone, and I connect to this one. You now look at the link speed. So 345 WEDS SS Cry5 triple X. Okay, and now I type connect, and it's right connecting right away. So now it's just using your password, and this will always work. So in fact, I'm not connecting to the routers, but I'm connecting to the hotspot, which is redirecting me to the channel of the virtual channels of the botnet. And if I'm pushing the VPS button again, yeah, it just reconnects to my router. And now we can check if this connection is legitimate. So it's connecting to my botnet channel, which I created. And now I push the VPS button again. I push the VPS button again. It's probably going to fail again. But this is just a proof of concept. So I can pick my network here, and as you see, I can connect to this one. So this is hacked, and now it's asking for the password again, and yeah, it's no problem. So trying for VBS, and just giving you my router password. This is totally worthless. You can't use it against me. You would never do. You're a good guy, I know, but yeah, connecting, and now I can connect to the other one. And if I push the VPS button now, it will work. So I just kill the power supply again, turn it back on, and it's saying, well, you see, my router is currently offline. So it's connected to DSL. So I just switch it off again, and I go back to the previous app, and now you can see this. This is like my router is off. It's off. You see this? So I pull the power supply, and I pull this out of the power. So this is the power supply. So this is not. You see, this thing is dead. Power, it's totally dead. I can pull all the cables. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's just offline. And now if I show all radio networks, it's still there. So my channels are still there on the radio, 5 gigahertz. This is what I hacked and use myself. So now I'm connected to telecom phone, and I can just now here my router is not listed, but it's still there. So I can try to connect to all of these, and it will fail on all. But that's just to prevent you from believing that you've been hacked and the NSA took control over your life. So if I put back in the power supply. This doesn't even need a DSL connection to function. So if I don't plug in the DSL cable, it will just be happy that there's no that they can do whatever they like. So yeah, now I'm connecting to telecom phone, and if you want to hack these, you just modify the network, and you see link speed is 14 Mbit. So that's something better, and you can just type XDA. Safe, you can just type some random code. It's not able to identify that. It's still staying connected. But if I connect to NordVPN DDoS server, it's probably killing the connection right away or won't connect. So yeah, if Wi-Fi isn't working, try opening your browser. And yeah, that's my Albanian friend. Yeah, and you see there's no internet connection, but I'm connected to this hotspot, which has like 2.4 gigahertz and link speed of 28 Mbit, so it should work, but it doesn't, And now I'm just trying to get this router back online, but I think you get the point, And I'm pushing the VPS button, and yeah, let's see what happens. I just turn on airplane mode so that my SIM card is not disturbing us here. And yeah, it's falling right back to the BPS 6 failed because I was connected to the other network, which is also Yeah, and I've got nothing working here, and then just it asked me to open the browser, and I just try to do it, and yeah, of course it's awful, but this is pretty much it. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I don't want to make this too long, but as soon as I get a connection, I'll send this via Telegram, and yeah, I can just connect to United Media Wi-Fi hotspot, and if I search the that won't connect neither probably, but yes, it's saying saved, and that's why I'm back to Telecom phone or whatever. And so now I just tap cancel, and I'll have to reboot my phone to get a connection that it's actually working. So and this anti-DDoS server won't help neither, since it's blocking me from accessing the internet. But I can just turn off the airplane mode again, type quick connect, yes, and I'm not connected. So at network, and now it's not, it is now my network saved obtaining IP address, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching.